The first step in cultivating your personal style is discovering what resonates with you. It's all about exploration. It's about understanding the unique blend of colors, patterns, and textures that make you feel like the best version of yourself. It's about recognizing that your style is a personal journey, a self-expression that goes beyond the latest trends. Think about it this way. Your style is a visual language. Just like any language, it has its own vocabulary, grammar, and syntax. And the words you choose, the way you arrange them, they tell a story about who you are and what you value. So, how do you start this journey of self-discovery? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Start by asking yourself some questions. What colors make you feel good? What kind of patterns attract you? Are you drawn to a minimalist aesthetic, or do you enjoy a more eclectic mix? Once you've pondered these questions, it's time to bring your answers to life. This is where mood boards come in. A mood board is a visual tool that helps you curate and collate your style preferences. You can create one physically with magazine cutouts, or digitally on platforms like Pinterest. Don't limit yourself to fashion images only. Include anything that inspires you. It could be a painting, a quote, a landscape, a piece of furniture, anything. As you start filling up your mood board, you'll notice certain themes, certain patterns emerging. Maybe you're drawn to earthy tones, or perhaps you lean towards bold, vibrant colors. Maybe you like clean, structured silhouettes, or perhaps you prefer something flowy and whimsical. This process of discovery is crucial in defining your personal style. It's like gathering all the pieces of a puzzle. And once you see all the pieces in front of you, you can start putting them together to create a picture that is uniquely you. So, take note of the colors, patterns, and silhouettes that catch your eye. This will help you identify recurring themes and elements that align with your taste. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers here. It's all about what resonates with you, what makes you feel confident and authentic. It's about unlocking your unique personal style. Once you've identified your style preferences, it's time to build your wardrobe accordingly. This process, my friends, is more than just a shopping spree. It's an art. It's about understanding your style, knowing what works for you, and incorporating that into your wardrobe. Now let's talk about shopping smart and economically. The idea here is not to splurge on every trendy item that catches your eye, but to invest in high-quality basics that can serve as the backbone of your wardrobe. Think of crisp white shirts, a pair of well-fitted jeans, a classic black dress, or a tailored blazer. These are your wardrobe warriors. Timeless pieces that will always have your back no matter the occasion. Next, let's add some spice to your wardrobe, some statement pieces. These are the items that truly reflect your personal style. It could be a vibrant scarf, a funky pair of shoes, a unique handbag, or even a snazzy jacket. Statement pieces add that extra oomph to your outfit, making it uniquely yours. Now, while we're on the subject of shopping, let's address the elephant in the room, the budget. Many of us think that building a stylish wardrobe requires a hefty budget, but that's not necessarily true. Remember, style is not about the price tag. It's about how you wear it. Thrifting and vintage stores are treasure troves for unique pieces that can elevate your style without burning a hole in your wallet. They offer a wide variety of clothing and accessories at a fraction of the original price. Plus, there's a certain charm in finding a one-of-a-kind piece that no one else has. So don't shy away from exploring your local thrift stores or even online secondhand marketplaces. In summary, building your wardrobe is about balancing high-quality basics with statement pieces that reflect your personal style. And remember, you don't need to break the bank to look stylish. Thrifting and vintage stores are treasure troves for unique pieces that can elevate your style without burning a hole in your wallet. Accessories are the cherry on top of your personal style. They're the magic touch that can transform a simple outfit into a stunning ensemble. And the best part? The possibilities are endless. Let's talk hats, for instance. They're not just for bad hair days. A well-chosen hat can add a dash of sophistication to your look. Picture a wide-brimmed hat with a summer dress, or a beanie with your favorite winter outfit. It's a simple addition that can make a world of difference. Then we have scarves. They're versatile, stylish, and can be worn in countless ways. Ever tried a silk scarf as a belt? Or how about a chunky knit scarf for those chilly days? It's all about playing with textures and colors to find what works best for you. Belts, too, are more than just functional. A statement belt can cinch your waist, add structure to a loose outfit, or simply serve as a focal point. From skinny belts to wide waist belts, there's a belt for every style and silhouette. And let's not forget about jewelry. It's like the icing on the cake. A pair of statement earrings, a layered necklace, or a stack of bracelets can add that sparkle and shine to complete your look. Whether you're into gold, silver, or colorful beads, there's a piece of jewelry out there that's waiting to be part of your style story. Remember, accessorizing is all about expressing your personal style. It's about experimenting, having fun, and finding what makes you feel fabulous. So, start exploring, mix and match, try different combinations. You might surprise yourself with what you come up with. Accessorizing is like painting a picture. Each accessory is a stroke of color, a line, a dot that contributes to the overall masterpiece. So, pick up your brush, or in this case, your accessories, and start creating your style masterpiece. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. After all, fashion is about self-expression and creativity. So go ahead, accessorize like a pro. You've got this. Remember, personal style is all about embracing what makes you unique. It's your personal signature, an outward expression of your inner self. But how do we translate this into our everyday wardrobe? Well, my friends, it all comes down to tailoring your style. Now, when I say tailoring, I don't mean you need to run out and buy a sewing machine. Think of it more as adjusting and adapting your fashion choices to best suit your body shape and comfort level. The key here is to emphasize your strengths and downplay any areas you might feel less confident about. For instance, if you're tall and slender, you might opt for layered looks, structured pieces, or bold patterns to add some dimension to your silhouette. On the other hand, if you're petite, you might gravitate towards monochromatic looks, high-waisted styles, or vertical stripes to elongate your frame. But remember, these are just guidelines, not rules. The beauty of personal style is that it's personal. What works for one person might not work for another, and that's perfectly okay. The most important thing is that you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. There's a great quote by the legendary fashion designer Yves Saint Laurent that I think really encapsulates this idea. He said, "Fashion fades, style is eternal." What he's saying here is that trends come and go, but your personal style, that's something that stays with you, something that evolves with you throughout your life. So don't feel pressured to conform to the latest trends if they don't resonate with you. Instead, focus on what makes you feel good. What makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Because at the end of the day, that's what personal style is all about. And let you in on a little secret. Confidence is the most attractive accessory you can wear. When you're confident in your style, it shows. People notice. It's an energy, a vibe, a radiance that comes from within. Confidence in your style comes from wearing what makes you feel best. So, my friends, go forth and rock your unique style with confidence. Remember that style is a journey, and it's perfectly fine to evolve and refine it over time. Yes, indeed, style is not a destination, but a continuous exploration of your personality and preferences. It's an expression of who you are, and it's okay for it to change as you grow and evolve. In this video, we've journeyed together through the realms of discovering your style, building your wardrobe, accessorizing like a pro, and tailoring your style to truly reflect your unique self. We've seen how your personal style doesn't need to be confined to one category or another, but can be a delightful mix of all the elements that speak to you. Remember how we talked about creating a mood board or using platforms like Pinterest to collect images that inspire you? That's your first step to unlocking your unique style. And once you've identified your style preferences, it's time to build your wardrobe. But remember, style doesn't require a hefty price tag. Thrifting and vintage stores can be your best friends in this journey. And let's not forget the magic of accessories. They are the cherries on top of your style cake, adding that extra flair that takes your outfit from ordinary to extraordinary. Don't be afraid to experiment and step out of your comfort zone. Finally, tailor your style to suit you. Don't feel pressured to conform to trends that don't resonate with you. Embrace what makes you unique because confidence is the best outfit you can wear. So here's your call to action. my stylish friends. Take these tips, go forth, and experiment with your style. Change often brings about a refreshing new perspective. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay stylish.